Oh, man, look at that. Christine's like a little piranha, an alligator. Coming up behind me like that in the wood, in these woods out here. I can mistake her for a female Sasquatch. Won't shoot them, but I'll hump them. This will definitely get you some exercise if that's what you're looking for. Wow. Hey, baby, whoop. You gonna whoop? Whoop, 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 woo. I'd come a running. That's either let me know that she's got dinner done, or it's time for the boom boom. There we go. Christine loves playing in food.
Whatever. You're an idiot.
You like it? It's me, Christine, Lulu.
You're in the way.
Yeah, I'm in the way. Look at a feather. Feather. A buzzard.
Brother?
Yeah. Yeah, we're just out here on Christine's nature trail. She got a couple of, she got a bunch of nice little trails so that the deer can travel on them. You keep these old wild dogs out here and domesticated dogs and the hog. Excuse me. You'd think this would be a cool place for a Sasquatch to hang out. Ow, son, bitch, got my man breath. Oh, crap. Wouldn't watch where I was off and ran into a tree. Who there go down in them woods? Notice who's in the lead. Scott got down here too a little bit, huh? Trail. Huh? Take a walk this way. Well, ain't nobody been over here in a while, babe. Scott. Get into here. He must have been in the mood of whacking. Look like holes over here. Ooh. Almost fell. Coming across the rickety bridge again. Christine's got that bottom lip out. When she coming across it, looking like that, she means business. Christine's had about her daily walk. I said, I think you had about your daily walk. Uh-oh, hell no. She done stripped off. Watch out. Christine thinks she's going to get us some in the woods. What was that?
Huh?
Was that the Yeti dance?
I was checking that rock. See if it was able to be moved out the way.
Oh. I think it'd be a cool place for Scott to put him a feeder right over there.
So what?
A deer feeder. He said that's what he's going to do, didn't he? He went down through there. That's where we got that hog that day. Oops, something definitely been jacking around there.
Huh?
Something's been definitely messing around here. Look like a gopher.
You got the Bigfoot toilet.
Yeah. Just in case he decides he wants to come through here and he needs to take a poop and keep messing up the back trail. Or unless Christine thinks he got to take a poop. Keep an eye on snakes, though.
Huh?
Keep an eye on snakes. Toward them, say every time they come down through this thing, they always saw snakes.
They must not be. They must be quiet. I don't make too much racket.
I don't make no more noise.
Huh?
I don't make no more noise. On time I saw some snakes down there in that creek area. Yeah. Alright, well, that's Christine's nature trail. That she made. Look at it. Showing her muscles.
My wings.
That's a little corn back behind me there. We got a little game camera set up there, eh? A few other places I didn't get to show you. Nice day to kind of take a little stroll. Not hot, not cold. There you go.
Bigfoot right there. What, 6 feet long?
What? Yeah.
There's 3 toes.
Now you got some game sure come through there. Or game. Something's gonna be. I think you got something hanging out here. I think that's where that damn hog been hanging out. Well, now if you look. Okay, that's the backyard. That's Christine's nature trail. Hey. Don't. Alright, till next time.